Welcome coders. We are starting a brand new journey, the DSA weekly series, where we will go step by step to become a data structure problem solver. So let's begin from the very basics. Today's topic is swapping two variables. So what does mean by swapping mean? So here you can see I have declared the two variables. Integer x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. After swapping, x should be become a 10 and y should become a 5. Right? So that is our problem statement. Now let's think about this in a real-time example, how it will work. So let's consider or let's imagine we have like a two classes, the class A and the class B. So the class A contains a tea and class B contains a coffee. Okay. We want to swap their content to each other. We cannot directly swap coffee to tea and tea to coffee, so it will get mixed, or we can say in programming word it will overlap the values, right? So don't you think, oh, we will require another third glass, which is an empty glass? Okay, so what we will do, we will transfer either tea or the coffee to the third glass, right? And then we will transfer a value from A to B, right? And finally we need to transfer value from third to A, right? Now, right, the same logic will be applies in the programming concepts. Okay, so consider in programming we have like a two variable, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10, right? So we need a third variable, which is a temporary variable. We need a temporary variable, or tmp. So what we gonna do, what we have to do, we have to transfer the value of x, right? Then we have to store x y value to the x, and then we are assigning temp value to again y. This way we will done the swapping, right? This is, there are many ways to swap the variables, but this is the very basic thing. So to understand, so this, based on this logic we are going to solve many problems of a DSA. Okay, based on this logic. So let's compile this in IDE and let's see what will happen. So integer x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. So I'll introduce another variable, integer 10. Okay. So we need to transfer 10 x value to the 10. Then x is equal to y and y is equal to 10. Right. Finally, we will print values of x and value of y. Let's run it. Yeah, we got the output, right? Yeah, we just learned how to swap the two variables. Okay, based on this, we are going to solve many DSA problems. Yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you for watching. Keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next lecture.